yesterday when I was at the nail tech, the lady that was doing my nails, she was like, she saw my fingers and obviously I had on my rings, and she was like, oh, you're married? I said, yeah. And she said, oh, you're happy in the room? I said, yeah. She said, I can't tell by the way you answer. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been showing you some little clips of me getting dinner ready for today. It's Sunday, happy Sunday. So decided to make butter chicken today. So we're gonna be making it with naan. We have some packaged naan. This is the package of naan that we got. I think we're gonna sprinkle cheese on it and make it cheesy garlic naan. So we're gonna have that and our butter chicken. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Kimberly and this is Kimberly Vlogs XO. I hope you've been enjoying the little prepping of the food so far, and I'm gonna just continue, but I want to just jump in here. Make a channel called Cooking with Kim. Make a channel called Cooking with Kim? No, I can't commit to that. You need to make a cooking channel. I should. And do like commentary, because this guy has a lot of opinions. If I get 100 likes, I will. 100 likes? That's crazy. If I get 100 likes, I will. If this video gets 100 likes, he'll do it. Wow, okay. I don't know. This channel, if this video gets 100 likes in 2 years, he will do it. I split the chicken into 2 batches because we got some boneless chicken thighs. So what I'm doing is I cut up some of the thighs to make like little pieces so that we can have them for the butter chicken. And then the other pieces, we have like 4 pieces left of stripped thigh. So I think I'm gonna season that and save that so that maybe I can like bake it or like do like some different type of style chicken, like a chicken fillet type thing for another day. Anyway, so I'm gonna get back to the cooking, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is gonna be another weekly vlog. Woo. We're gonna do it. We're just gonna have it like this. This is for the toaster oven. I'm gonna put some cheese on it. There it is. That looks delicious. Oh my god, guys! It is Monday, February 18th, I think, 19, 18, and I have hit 1,000, over 1,000. I got a message from somebody on Instagram, and she said, congrats on 1,000. Me and my girlies just subscribed. I'm like, that is so sweet. I kind of just woke up and I saw the message. Like, I woke up and I checked it and I was at 988, and then I just saw the message come in and I was like, what? I've been on YouTube for over 7 years, and I've been on and off, back and forth, whatever, but to actually like have a goal and be able to hit it, it's so cool for me. So thank you so much. Thanks to everybody who subscribes, and I hope I'll continue to do content that is subscribable too. Hi guys again. So I need to wash my hair. Yeah, I need to wash my hair. So I think that's what I'm gonna do and show you guys the products that I use. Right now my hair in some plaits, like on the side, like plait down like this and then wrapped up. But so I'm really liking it. Why is it that whenever you need to wash your hair looks the best, and it looks kind of like, I don't know, like it just kind of flows a little. I don't know. Anyway, I'm in a good mood this morning, guys. To hit that goal is very important for me, or it's very important for me, and I'm just so happy that it was somebody that's not necessarily like it's somebody that saw my work and was doing, you know, watching and just had her friends follow. Like, that's girls supporting girls. Like, that is so crazy to me. Like, those are things that make my heart sing, because it's like we don't know each other like that. We're not like, you know, and she just took it upon herself to say, all right, girls rally, Avengers. That's what I thank you so much, Ren. Her name is Ren, so I need to, yeah, I'm very appreciative. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair this morning. I have a little time. It's Monday. Mondays are generally slowest for me, and I need to use today as my administration day, but I mean, I need to show off, so I'm gonna wash my hair. And I think washing my hair and self-care in general is like a mood booster for me, and I need to, because I have so much administrative stuff to do today that I don't know, it's just yeah, everything is kind of backed up for me. Thank God I have an intern that work is so, like, she saves me so much, because it's a lot. And when I think about the work that I was doing before her, I don't know how many did I do it, and it's like it's just getting more and more, especially since they see the quality of work that we're putting out because of her as well. Because there's time to like, it's easy to split up the tasks. Just get my email. I would write her the best recommendation ever. She is amazing. This is a product I've been using. I generally prefer Care, but the bottles of Care that they sell in Jamaica, they sell them at like Fontana and so forth, like regular hair stores, but they're really small, and I don't think it's worth the money, because when I buy it on Amazon, I can get it for like, I can get the big bottles for way more, but it's just to buy it and ship it down. They're a little heavy, so next time I travel, I'm going to look at if I can get them there. I tried to ship them down as well, but then it's like the time for wait, I'm here while I wash, so I just ended up buying something in Jamaica that could have worked. And I've seen mail before and I've heard about it. It's the Rosemary Mint Leave-In Conditioner. And then this is, somebody just messaged me again. So may I say, it's fine. I mean, obviously. Okay, great. Alright, so we can just push through. Already pretty much set up, because from the last quarter we had. So this is the hair mask. And what I usually do if I'm gonna wash my hair, what I usually do before I start washing my hair, I'll just take some of the hair mask. And I love the consistency. Look at that. It's really thick and nice, but not like too thick. So I'll just rub that together, and then I'll put it throughout my hair like this. Especially the front, like the perimeter of my hair is where I get have the most tension, or get more tension. So, and then at the back of my hair, I get a little more, not too much though, because I'm not actually deep treating my hair today. I'm just rubbing it in to start. Just kind of bring it down the ends a little. Right, so I have finished washing my hair, and I've had it wrapped up a little bit to kind of dry. So I usually just put it in like my shirt, as I said before, and just kind of let it soak up the extra moisture out of my hair. So this is how my hair is looking. It feels really, really soft, really nice. So usually I let it air dry, but I think I want to blow it, because I don't really want to have my hair right now. For me, I usually I will use an oil, something like this. So I love to use like peppermint oils and those things like that in my hair, because I feel like they make my hair smell more minty, and I love a minty fresh smell in my hair. And then also with the leave-in conditioner, I forgot to carry it into the shower with me, and then I couldn't bother to reach back out for it and everything. So I said I'll just add a little tubes of it, just a little tubes like that. A little tiny tip, because my hair is really light, and for light hair it's not good to put a lot of product in it when you're blow drying and stuff like that. So I rub focus it toward the front of my hair, and just come back a little bit. Just a quick little rub, and then just kind of. I have this tool here that I love. This is my Revlon blow dryer. It has the bristles as well, and it's just really nice. It's very low tension for me. As I said, my hair is very light, very just light. I love how the color is in there. A lot of it washed out because it was the first wash. So the first wash, you're gonna have like a lot of hair color coming out. But pretty much what I do is I just blow dry it with this. And I have this linked in my Amazon storefront, so if you're interested in getting this, I have it there. That's it. So let's get into blow drying our hair. Again, I took a break. I blew out as much of my hair as possible. I haven't pressed it as yet, but this is pretty much, I don't know if I'm going to press it, to be honest. Especially since there's just going to be more heat on my hair. But this is pretty much what I'm working with. It has a lot of volume and bounce. Let me brush it out a little bit and just part it. So I did that preliminary dry, and then I just had it in one because I couldn't bother blow dry it anymore. But you can see from how it is right now that it's pretty full. My hair has grown so much. I have cut it completely off. I've done big chops on this channel. I have videos about my hair on this channel. But just from where it's coming from to now, I mean, it's pretty. Can I reach it? Yeah, I can reach it. So it's growing, especially since I'm back in Kingston now, back to my regular hairstylist. I can go to her and do like my full-on follow-ups and just ensure that I keep my hair cared for. Like that's really what I need. Like I need my hair to be just babied and pampered and everything. So if you could have spent longer than me blow drying it out and really gotten it like really straight and like a nice proper blowout, but I couldn't spend any more time in the bathroom doing it. I had more work to do, so and that's pretty much it for me for right now. I'll catch up back with you guys in a few. Guys, good morning. It's 11:25, so it's still morning. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. I'm just having some breakfast. This is my go-to breakfast: granola, yogurt, and canned fruit cocktail. We have a Tyler here that's doing our bathroom, fixing the bathroom. Let me show you a little update. So there it is, right there. So they had to take out 3 of the tiles. I need to make some lunch. I think I'm gonna make spaghetti for lunch as usual. So I'm not gonna show that again because I showed that before. but I'm also watching House. The tendency to rewatch shows. I've rewatched The 100 a lot. I've rewatched Outlander a lot. Those two are my probably top 5 favorite shows. So House I'm now rewatching. I haven't watched it in a long time. Avatar, The Last Airbender, I've watched a lot. I know that a new one is coming. Well, not new one. The live action adaptation is coming out. I'm excited for that. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I just said let me check in. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hakeem has gone on a work trip, so he should be back in a few hours. So I'm just here holding down the fort. He had me on video call earlier showing me this place that he's at. So yeah. Hey guys, so I am rushing on the road to go pick up Hakeem, but I wanted to share that we started a new page on Instagram. It is, oh, shadow over my eyes. We have been obsessed with home decor. We've been going through this home decor journey. So we started a page on Instagram called the Home Edit XO. So if you want to check it out and get some inspiration for like home goods and stuff, and you can find our Amazon storefront link there for sure. You can check it out. This is the name, the Home Edit XO. So that's on Instagram. So I hope you guys head over there and follow and get inspired to create your home. We're obsessed with a cozy vibe, a cozy home vibe, and that's what we're trying to achieve bit by bit. Alrighty guys, I am back in my bathroom. Stays at the bathroom still. It's nighttime. So yeah, we had the project manager here and we were talking about possible solutions for the bathroom. So right here, so now there's no the tile that they use for the shower. It's not available anymore. So obviously can't stay like that. So the solution that we came up with, because I was back and forth because they were saying, oh, they would run like a different color tile, same style, but a different color in the middle there. So and I was like, no, I don't like this much tile and then something there. And then another option was going to be to dig out, so like do like a panel type of thing. So like the middle would have whiter tile, and then we kind of do like strips of different tile to kind of make it balance. And I was like, that's possible. But then what we decided on was to do an entire wall here of stone tile style, and then they would change out the caps. So there's like silver caps around it, so like along here and around the tops. So we change out those caps to black, because I didn't want to get black. I hate silver. I hate silver hardware. So like I've been slowly changing out the silver hardware throughout. So they're supposed to come back tomorrow, get the tiles tomorrow, come back tomorrow, get everything put together. That way everything will be fine. So I think I'm excited about the stone facing wall right there. Only thing, oh, I forgot to take off. We'll take off that, but at least I don't have to put the entire bathroom. So things will be reasonably not so messed up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think right now what we're gonna do, we have some packages to collect. So we're linking up with our delivery guy. We use checkout shipping, so we really like checkout shipping, and we get really good customer service from checkout shipping. So we've been using them for the past couple years. So I mean, I want to go and get that. Hi Keanu, look at him open. My cat literally opens the door. He puts his paw, opens the door. Hi sir, you need to use the bathroom? He's going crazy because he's smelling all these different smells because people have been in and out of the house. So it's like, you know, but he's just walking around smelling all over the place. So anyway, I think that's all we're gonna get up to for the rest of the night. It's Tuesday. I think we've had a very full week so far, and it's just Tuesday. More construction tomorrow. Well, not construction, renovation, to fix that, and just more work. If anything eventful happens tomorrow or whatever, I'll show. Oh, tomorrow when the tile goes in, I can show you guys the tile. project manager, she just sent me options to fix for the fix in the bathroom, in the shower. So these are what she's working. She sent me. Well, she sent me a bunch of them, but I don't want anything gray. I'm liking this. So I'm now in the bathroom trying to match it. I don't like that. That's gray. I like this. And I like this. So I think these are the three. So I'm just currently in the bathroom trying to, in the shower rather, trying to figure out if I like this. This. Because my plan is to match it to one of these mosaic tilings, so I'd probably try to match it to this or this, one of the lighter ones, because the border is going to be removed off of this wall, but this wall around here and around, it's going to be the same. So I need it to at least match the mosaic, because that's the busiest part of the wall. So I'm thinking, I think this would look good here. Yeah, and it would match slightly. But I will show you guys which one I end up choosing when I choose it. But that's pretty much where I'm at now with that. I'm trying to just, yeah, so I'm taking a little break, and I decided to start laying the foundation for planning Hakeem's birthday in September. And I literally, because I'm not a geography person, like I know countries, I know places and whatever, but I had to pull out a map on Google to kind of get my bearings, because I don't know, it's like I forget where places are and how, like, proximity. So this is what I do. But yeah guys, I'm not 100% sure what we're doing yet, but I do like to pre-plan. I have an idea of places that I'm considering, and I sent him my list of possible places that I want to go, so he can choose. And then I obviously, my birthday is in June, his birthday is in September, but I like to just plan ahead so that if something's not going to work out, I know in advance, and I can just kind of reconfigure everything. So I think, yeah, because we plan our trips ourselves, we especially me, I'm really good at planning trips. Hakeem is really good at planning as well. I have to give him that. But in general, it comes down to trips. I will spearhead them, or I will coordinate stuff. So it's fun for me. It's fun to look at flights, even if I don't have the money, even if I don't know if I go or whatever. I just like to look. It's very therapeutic for me. So even if I'm working and I get stressed, I'll stop and I'll look at flights. Comment below if you're a looker at flights person. That's very therapeutic for me. But I like to pre-plan. I like to get an idea of what I want to do. Maybe I'll have like at the top of the year, I'll just start considering. Actually, after I finish planning Hakeem's birthday and we execute it, I'll usually start playing around with stuff. He'll mention a place, or I'll look at a place and say, oh, that would be nice to go to, and I'll just start, I like to plan. And that way, as I said, if things don't work out, or if me not see the money come together, or if me know, certain things, I can always just have time to wheel and come again, as Jamaicans would say. Just bits and pieces. As I said, I have a little time. It's now February and his birthday is in September, so I have time. But I'm crazy. I have booking.com. I use that for every trip that we go on. So I will book a place, because I don't have to pay until I get there, and there's free cancellations. I'll book a place and just have it in place, because if you're booking hotels and so forth, it's good to do it in advance, especially if you know you're doing it, because prices change closer to the time. So if you can just book it and get it over with, just book it and get it over with. But I just like to I like to take my time, because I can't take the anxiety, I can't take the stress. And then when you choose a certain place, you have to think about where you're going to carry, if you need a visa or not, how much money, cash you need to carry, how much spending money you need to carry. You need to find out the regulations and rules that govern the country. You need to, like, all sorts of stuff. So my work phone, alright, so that's pretty much it. I'll catch up with you guys later. I love them, they're nice. nice. I'm glad I got through with this one because good morning, guys. affairs. So everything, all the tile has come out. You okay? You okay?
change out the caps, these caps here, for black, but he's saying that they're going to be hard to come out without ruining the rest of the tile that is there. So we're going to just change out the caps right here and then right here when he puts the tiles along here as well. And then what I'll do is I will just hand paint the rest of it black. Just wish me luck on that. It's not a lot, I can do that, I'm pretty steady handed, but that's what I'm going to do.